Hey, this is Sasha, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And what I have for you today is a special announcement, and that is that we've just launched, at least by the time you're watching this, our brand new course, Planning a Blog Business. Now, this is set up for people that are looking to make money with their blog or using a blog as a business to increase and make some revenue. So if you've kind of been, let's just say here, I'll give it to you, a hobby blogger, right here, and you kind of enjoy creating content, writing, creating blog videos on YouTube, and wondering how to turn that passion into a bigger income stream, then this is for you, because you're starting, hey, I got a hobby, now I want to make some money on there. Maybe you're a try it again kind of blogger. You've tried blogging in the past, but you failed, you haven't made money, you don't understand the way that money is made within a blog, or you just, hey, made a blog, it just didn't work. You made another blog, it didn't work. You're not making money on it. So that's kind of another person here that this course would benefit. And finally, if you're brand new to blogging, this course is starting out the right way. It's kind of like taking you by the hand, how to think and plan out a blog business. So that's what this course is all about. You can check this course out at our website by going to backstageincome.com. Once you're on backstageincome.com, you just scroll down. You can see there's a big picture there. You'll be able to click the Learn More button, and you'll get to kind of this page here. And when you're here, you can take a look at all the stuff in there. I've got about 7.8 hours, going to be almost 8 by the time I'm done with 1 or 2 more modules after I finish filming this video. It'll be about 8 hours of training and about 36 videos. So there's a ton of content and information. It's really set up for people that are, either brand new, struggled with building a blog, or trying to make money on the side. Even if you're trying to make blogging as a complementary business to your current business, like an accountant, where you want to use blogging to generate a little extra revenue or to communicate and connect with your audience, maybe building out some products, this course will also be beneficial, because a lot of people, they go in with blogging thinking, hey, I'll just do a little blogging here and there, and then eventually I'll make some money with it. But that's not the right approach. It just doesn't work. Most bloggers, they fail when they take that approach. So you can take a sneak peek at some sample videos here that I have, how to plan a $300,000 a year with your blog. Like, where's the money going to come from? How to think about your products and sales with a product pyramid. So there's a sample clip in there. Planning a timeline. How long does it take to get it started realistically, right? I'm not going to promise you, say, hey, within a week you'll get your blog up and running and making money. No, it's not real. That's the get rich quick thing that happens on some videos that try and pump and sell you things. This is more about realistically creating a business around your blog. That's what we're focused on. And that takes time. It takes a couple months easily to make it work and happen. So it's not going to happen in a week. So when we come to this course and you want to see everything that's in there, look at all these detailed videos. That's what I'm offering. It's very detailed, and there's a lot of work that goes with it. So it's not a 50-minute video where, hey, you're going to learn everything for 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there video. These are, some videos are 20 minutes long, from planning things out. We're looking at product pyramids, how to think about it that way, to doing these exercises, creating micro products, evergreen products, hierarchies, customer behavior, funnels, distribution platforms, how to look into those tools you may need to get operational, productivity, how to build your team up, bootstrapping, golden path of success, how to make it happen, focuses that you should have. There's a ton of information here. How to plan out your goals, your 5-year goals, your 3-year goals, how to plan things out, how to make the financials work, because people don't talk about that in doing a blog business. Yeah, you got these affiliates, yeah, you got these other things going on, but how do you make the financials work? Because people, what they do with the blogs is they buy a live chat tool for $70 a month, and they buy this tool for $50 a month, and that tool for $30 a month, and all that starts, you're paying $300 to $100 a month, $700 a month, and your blog's not making money. So I'm going to share with you some insights here as well about all that stuff. So anyways, if you're interested to learn more, check this out at backstageincome.com. You can scroll down and watch kind of this video introduction of really what it's all about, even more so. And if you're interested in purchasing this course, just scroll down. There's going to be a buy it now, get it now button right there. Go through the checkout process, and then I'm going to work with you there as for building a blog business that makes sense, to plan it out, to show you how it works, where does the money come from, to making it all come together. That's what it's all about. So if you've tried blogging in the past, it just hasn't worked, you probably didn't plan things out right. If you're brand new to blogging, you're going to save a lot of time. And if you've got a hobby blog and you want to convert it more into a money-making blog, then this course is for you. So when you're ready, just go to the link right under this video in description, click the Get It Now button, go there and purchase the course. And I'm going to work through every single video in detail for you, and you're going to get a lot of knowledge and insights. You'll be able to do some exercises with it and then put the plan to work. It'll take you a few months to get things going, but you'll see that this is really all about setting up the right plan to making this work like a business, not just like a little hobby that you do on the side. It's about making it work, making the financials work, and then building a business out of it where it makes you money and revenue time and time again consistently. So thanks for joining me in this video. Hope you got a lot out of it. If you want to get subscribed to our newsletter list, grab some of the freebies that I have available, and then you'll be added when we have any promotions, discounts, events, live sessions coming out, and then you'll get notified more directly right there. Or if you just want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can do so here or check out more great videos. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.